That don't scare me.
King, follow me.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Keep walking. Okay, let go.
Don't touch your TV dial. We'll continue this later, but first...
Roar, 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 Linus the Lionhearted. Linus is the one who lines up the fun. He's the host of which we boast. So roar, 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 Linus the king, Linus the star, Linus the Lionhearted.
Greetings. Today is a birthday for one of our friends.
He's no friend of mine. I hate him. I don't like him either.
He's a stinker, Your Majesty. You ought to know that.
The surprise party is for the grouse. And today you will learn that the reason the grouse grouses is because no one has ever done anything nice for him.
And no one ever does anything nice for him because he's such a grouse.
First a story, and then I want you, Billy Boy, to go and find that grouse and bring him here.
Hi, Kingy. How you doing?
Oh, lousy. Every time I try to roar, I like that.
Hey, that's funny. That's funny. How do you do that? Roar. What is that?
It is not funny.
It's funny. Do it again.
Hey, cut it out.
Hey, you know this is serious. If you can't roar, you can't be king.
Oh, is that so? Well, you just listen. Here I go.
Say, would you excuse me? I've got to go around telling people things about you.
No. Hey, no. Please. Well, he's right. If I can't roar, nobody's gonna listen to me. I won't be king. I better leave the forest. I ain't no king, because a king has got a...
Hey, Linus. Hey, King Hiccup. I mean, King Linus. You thought I was going to tell everybody, but instead I came back to help you keep your throne.
Oh, yeah?
Hold your breath.
What?
Hold your breath as long as you can. That's it. Good, good, good. Hold it fine. Don't breathe. Hey, Linus. Hey, King.
Whew.
Attaboy. Whew, boy, I thought you'd had it. Now, let's hear a roar. I think you're cured.
Okay, here we go.
Uh-oh. I don't think you're cured.
Rats. I still got him.
I know. I'll scare you. That'll do it.
That don't scare me. Sorry. Ain't scared. That don't scare me.
King, follow me.
Oh, okay.
Close your eyes. Keep walking. And hold my hand. Or my foot. My foot, rather. I forgot I don't have a hand. I have 2 feet, 2 wings, and a beak. Okay. Let go.
Hey, help me. Help. Hey.
Good. That ought to do it. Okay, Linus, you're all set. See? I was helping you.
Yeah, sure.
Roar, go ahead.
Yeah, all right. Here I go. I'm gonna roar.
After all that, you know, this is a toughie. Oh, I got an idea. Here. Put your head in this bag. Okay, now turn around. Faster. Come on. Keep going.
Hey, that's enough.
Wait. Hold it. Got it. I've got it. Sit here.
Okay.
Hold it. Don't take the bag off.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna cure you this time. This'll be a definite surprise. Guarantee it.
I'm ready.
So am I.
Blade, prepare for the worst.
Wait, just trying to help you, King. Oh, pal, oh, King there. Oh, pal, buddy. Hey, Linus, you got me all wrong.
I'll get you all right.
Hey, that's great, terrific. You're cured. You can roar like a king again. Oh, shucks. You got the... No, that was me. Hey, how did I catch him? I didn't know that contagious.
All right, let's all try to make our birthday celebrant happy, okay?
Okay. Happy birthday. Oh, tickles my nose, or my bill, or whatever this repulsive thing is I have. It's a bill, and it's repulsive, all right.
Now remember, Zeke, none of your crazy stunts when you caddy for Mayor Gravely. He's our leading citizen here in Cornball, and he takes golf as seriously as he does running our town.
Don't worry, Rory. I'll be a good caddy.
Good morning, Mayor. This is my cousin, Zeke.
Doesn't look very bright to me.
Oh, I assure you, he's smart as a tack.
Yep. That's why I never sit down on the job.
Zeke.
Don't worry, Rory. A good joke before we begin will put him in a good frame of mind.
Well, let's get started.
All righty.
I've got a feeling I made an awful mistake.
Time to tee off. Hand me my driver.
Yes, sir. One driver coming up.
Not you, you idiot. I meant my club. Never mind. I'll get it myself.
Did I ever tell you that I've never been out on the links before, except for a couple times on the cup?
Zeke, old friend, there are a number of annoying traps on this course, but yours is the worst. Now, please keep it shut.
Mind if we play slow?
Not at all. Friends of yours, no doubt.
How'd you guess?
Four.
Hold it, I see your trouble. You gotta keep your eye on the ball. Not the ball on your eye.
Why, you buck-toothed booby. Now look what you made me do.
Don't worry, I'll find it. Oh!
My golf ball. An egg. Help! Help!
Hang on, Mayor Gravely, I'll save you.
My golf ball. And only 3 feet from the hole. For the first time in my life, I'll break 70.
Wait, sir. I'd better direct you. A little bit to the right. Now a little to the left. Keep coming. Perfect. Right on target.
By Godfrey, I did it.
Well, Mayor, how did Zeke do as a caddy?
splendid. Thanks to your cousin Zeke, I finally broke 70.
Broke 70? Wow.
Yes, my dear fellow, 70 clubs.
43, 44, 45, 46.
Now can Grouse open my present?
Sure.
Yep, special birthday treat cooked by my mother. Family recipe for egg foo young.
Another failure. Well, next comes Sugar Bear's turn. Perhaps he can make the grouse's birthday happy. But before that, this story.
Dear Laura, good morning. How about having lunch with me in the park? Lawrence, wait. Dear Richard Harry Nearly, excuse me?
Where did that shaggy canine go?
That what?
Since you always lie, I know full well that means he went this way.
Hi there. Did you know you're walking on the grass? And look, this sign says keep off the grass. That makes you a naughty, naughty grass walker.
Constable, perhaps you remember me. Richard Harry Nearly, silent movie star and part-time dog catcher.
I'm going to have to give you a ticket for that.
But that cur is on the grass.
Silly grass walker. He's a dog. He's not allowed on the sidewalk.
All right, then. How about him?
Well, he's the mailman. Neither rain, nor snow, nor gloom of night, nor anything can stop a postman from getting through. Here, grass walker. Next time, do as the keep off the grass sign says. Keep off the grass.
Let go, you uncouth mongrel. You're stretching my neck.
Look where you are again. I guess you know this means another ticket. Dear Lawrence, you're just in time for lunch. And since this is such a nice, clean park, let's be good citizens and make sure that any trash we come across goes right in here.
Oh, come on, Lawrence.
Rory Raccoon, it's your turn to make the grouse's birthday a happy one.
Hi, Grouse. I'll bet you can tell just from looking at it what it is. It's an ear of corn.
Did you ever see anything so unattractive? Really unattractive.
All right, let's have a story now.
Greetings, children friends. Today we have story of when Sohai called wolf. Here see lots of sheep in field. Also shepherd boy played by Sohai. That me. All day long shepherd boy must stay in field and watch sheep.
Wong, wong. Ah, baso. Baso. Ah, baso. Wong, wong.
All the time, nothing interesting ever happened to him. Just
Baso.
Sohai decided to have some fun. He played joke on people in town by calling wolf, wolf. People from village come clippity-clop, clippity-clop.
Hey, what's up?
There no wolf. Just Sohai. Sohai laugh. Sheep laugh. Joke was good fun, but everything calmed down, and pretty soon nothing but
Baso. Baso.
wolf, wolf.
Hey, what's up?
There no wolf.
Baso. Baso.
Wolf, wolf. Seriously, folks?
Hey, what's up?
After people leave, Sohai laugh. Sheep laugh. This really funny. Then, ho-hum, things slow down again.
Baso. Baso.
Wolf! I'm not kidding! Wolf! Wolf! Wolf!
Please, I hear you the first time.
Wolf! Wolf! I really not kidding! Wolf!
Oh, they not seem to hear you. Let me try. Wolf, wolf.
Wolf!
Maybe a little louder. Wolf, wolf, wolf.
Wolf! 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 Wolf!
Maybe they're busy because it's lunch time. You know, this fresh air makes me very hungry. Baso! Baso!
Moral of story, honorable children friends? When wolf is at door, take it on lamb.
You're pretty funny when I tied up.
Today is the grouse's birthday, and as you know, we are all trying to do something especially nice so that he will be nicer to us.
Howdy, Grouse. I bought a whole parcel full of cards and letters for your birthday. I got thousands of them.
Oh, what good are cards if you can't read? And I can't read.
After the show, Grouse, I will read each and every one of these cards to you myself. Right now, however, this. Friends, you have been witness today to one of my few failures.
Yeah, you said if we all did something nice for the grouse, he'd get nice himself. But the nicer we got, the more he groused.
Right, yeah.
Right. Brother, you ain't kidding. Say that again, brother.
Well, Grouse, it's my fault. Unwittingly, I have made your birthday unhappier than if I did nothing, and I'm very sorry. He's so mad he won't even answer. In fact, he's crying.
I can't answer. I'm so choked with emotion at this lovely thing you've done. The words won't come. This is the happiest day of my life. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Grouse Louse.
Happy birthday to you.
Love